Oh, wow, 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 wow! I have arrived after coming up the mountain, many thousands and thousands of feet to the mountaintop, and then down and down and down and down, many, many steps, thousands of feet down, literally thousands of feet down the mountain, thousands of feet up the mountain, and then on these rickety bamboo bridges, I have arrived. Look, 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 look. You have to be here to believe it. It is unbelievable. There's a handful of people over there. Let's go look. Let's go look. What's it called?
They are Russian.
They're what?
Russian.
Oh, they're Russian? How do you know they're Russian?
I read the book.
You read the book?
Yes.
How do you know?
They
They logged in before. They're from Russia. Oh, there's some Russian people here. She read the login book. Very smart. This is crazy. I wonder if there's fish in the water. I wonder if there's fish in the water. This is unbelievable. This is spectacular. This is worth the trip to the Philippines. This alone is worth the trip to the Philippines. Wow. You cannot believe it unless you are here. It is spectacular. I wonder if there's any fish like salmon or... Is there any fish in the water here? Fish? There must be lots of life in here. Must be lots of life in the waters. I wonder if this is salt water or fresh water. Wow. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Some Russians. Wow. But anyway, you get the idea, folks. Just in Valencia, the mountains of Valencia, just outside Dumaguete on Negros Oriental. It is quite spectacular. Let's see if we can get to the falls. It's not that easy to navigate. You have to go through all these rocks here. Like and subscribe. We'll try to make another video of the people swimming.